You probably touch it every day. Maybe you know it. Maybe you don't. But it's all around you. And all you have to do is look. Steel. You may be familiar with its cold touch, polished finish, or strength. But have you ever just wondered, how'd this bridge, this car, or this skyscraper even get here? The answer? Great Lakes Seaway Shipping. The process starts in the Great Lakes region, where the majority of American steel is produced. To make steel, iron ore is mined in Minnesota and Michigan. Known by ancient Egyptians as metal from heaven, iron ore is mined and concentrated into pellets before it's loaded and moved. Trains take the iron ore from a mine to a Great Lakes port. In our case, the port of Duluth Superior, where massive freighters are loaded using a system of conveyor belts before moving through the Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway system. At the port, the freighter's holds are loaded with iron ore using a system of conveyor belts on the ore dock. Each year, Great Lakes Seaway Shipping is responsible for moving about 143.5 million metric tons of cargo, including 50 million tons of iron ore. Once fully loaded, these mighty vessels must leave the port and traverse Lake Superior, passing through one of the world's greatest engineering wonders, the Soo Locks. The 1,000-foot vessel passes through the Po Lock, which is the largest of the locks. The locks smoothly lift and lower ships as they traverse a 21-foot drop in elevation from Lake Superior to Lake Huron, granting access to the lower lakes, allowing the vessel to travel to their port of call. In our case, the vessel's final destination is a steel mill in Burns Harbor, Indiana. Then, the vessel's hull is moved from water to land with the help of the vessel's self-unloading technology. The largest ships on the Great Lakes can carry up to 70,000 tons of iron ore. It's then piled up into massive mountains which continue growing throughout the shipping season. That same iron ore gets swept up by a stacker reclaimer and taken to the blast furnace. The blast furnace melts the iron ore at 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When the liquid iron is ready, it's moved to the basic oxygen furnace, where iron is combined with steel scrap and transformed into new steel. Next, the liquid steel is poured into a continuous caster, where it's shaped. The result? A searing hot 22-ton steel slab. Once the slab is cooled, it can be transformed into coils or plates. To make coils, the steel is rolled into a continuous strip and dipped into a pool of zinc. Then, the galvanized strip is rolled and cut into a 22-ton coil and is packaged for shipping. Once the steel coils are transported by truck to their next destination, they're made into products we see every day, like cars, trucks, and appliances. But remember, that's not all the steel slab is used for. To make steel plates, the slab is blasted with water and thinned to the desired thickness. When finished, the sheets are transported and used to construct bridges, wind turbines, and buildings. At the heart of our economy and this manufacturing miracle is Great Lakes Seaway Shipping. Without these freighters, iron ore could not be transported because no other mode of transportation can handle the massive quantity of cargo as efficiently and effectively. Without these freighters, the transformation of iron ore into steel and finally into products we use and see every single day would not be possible. Over 230,000 jobs are supported by Great Lakes Seaway Shipping, generating $35 billion in economic activity annually, contributing to the Great Lakes regional economy, collectively amounting to the third largest in the world, and supporting the quality of life for everyone. This supply chain is a foundation of our country's economy, the backbone of our society. It is America's anchor.